Welcome to the marketing track of IMRC 2026. After an overwhelming response last year, we are back this year with a promising lineup of research presentations, inspiring workshops and networking opportunities for doctoral scholars and faculty in marketing. If you are working on an interesting empirical paper across topics such as consumer behavior, marketing strategy, or consumer culture theory, and are seeking feedback from some leading experts in the field, we would love to receive your submissions. Our intention is to elevate the quality of marketing research coming out of India and to put India on the global map of thought leadership in marketing. So if you have a promising paper that you wish to target to a top journal in our field, we would love to nurture that paper together and build a community of aspiring scholars. So see you here at IIM Ahmedabad in December for an amazing IMRC 2026.